Yeah, I done put the pacifier in my baby mouth. I don't know how long he gonna be quiet and let me talk, but welcome back to another video, y'all. If you never seen my face before, it's great to have you here. My name is Olivia. We do everything mommy life, work-life balance, routines, vlogs, everything like that. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. And if you're not new here, thank you for clicking on another video. But as y'all can see, we're a little out and about. We running some errands. So this is a mommy maintenance vlog video. Y'all know how it is after you give birth. So basically what inspired this video is, well, okay, today is Tuesday, March 4th, I want to say. Tomorrow's Wednesday, March 5th. So as of tomorrow, March 6th, your girls will be 6 weeks postpartum. So this whole thing, like, your mama, aunties, cousins, grandmas, they always been like in the house for 6 weeks before you go out taking the baby out and doing all this other stuff. So we have been out, but we haven't been like out. So we've been to like doctor's appointments. When I turned 2 weeks postpartum, I started back driving. So we would just go through like drive-throughs and stuff. But baby, this weekend, mama is going out. Mama's going out because I'm finna be outside. So I'm not gonna take him out for real until he has his 8-week shots. I think his appointment is March. I want to say it's like the 3rd week of March. So that's when I'll probably like start taking him out. Well, we have been to like the store, but the store is like more spread out. But like when it comes to like confined places or like with people like, because if we go to the store, it's like at odd times when ain't nobody in there. But we'll go to like church and like just more public places after he has like his shots and stuff like that. But anyway, so like I said, mama is outside. We done hit 6 weeks postpartum. I'm doing good. Everything is good. I've been keeping a check on my blood pressure. That's leveling out and coming back down. If you know, you know. That was in my last video as well. So yeah, y'all. So we out running a little bit of errands with his dad. Right now we at the DMV because he had to come over here. But after this, I'm going to go ahead and go to Target because I want to do some at-home appointments. I won't be able to do like everything, like, you know, go get everything done just because I wanted to be like affordable. Baby, mommy's trying to talk. Anyway, I want it to be like affordable. So we'll just be like transforming. I'm gonna do my hair, I'm gonna get my nails done, stuff like that. So I'm gonna run to Target. I need to re-up on some hygiene products. So that's what we're gonna do after this. But y'all, clearly my baby's not letting me talk no more. I got him with me. So I just want to go ahead and introduce the video. And then in the next clip, we should be going to Target. But if we do something else, just bear with us. So it's the day after next. It's Thursday, March 5th, 6th, whatever, child. All these days run together when you on maternity leave. So lastly, I checked out, we was at Target and our errands kind of took over because I thought about everything that I could be doing and I kind of overdid it. The fact that when I came home Tuesday night, y'all, I was tired, and then yesterday we had to do another errand, was tired. So anyway, it's Thursday and I want to show y'all what I got from Target. But why, I ain't gonna say why didn't nobody tell me, but like I didn't know. So like when we went to Target on Tuesday, Makai's dad was like, why you shopping at Target? You know, they did all this. They took all the black products out and then they lost all the money. Then they put them back and apologized. Yeah, I didn't know that. Like, I don't be on social media. Like, y'all got to keep me like up to speed. I did not know that. And when I went in, because he told me like before, and he was like, you should have told me you was going to Target. And I was like, well, we was in the area. You should have known we was going to Target. And he was just like, so when I went in there, I was like, do I belong in here? Like, am I a traitor for shopping at Target? Child, I don't know. So, but I only got a few items that I really needed. I told you I needed a few more hygiene stuff. So I went and got me some more Depends. Honestly, y'all, I actually really like these things. I've never used them prior to giving birth, but they give you some at the hospital. I don't really like their brand. They're not thick enough, but they give you like these big pads. And then I don't like the Frida brand because like it feels like you can bleed through them. But my cycle started back last week and I was like, I don't think I'm gonna wear pads no more on my cycle. I'm just gonna put these on. And then for my baby, I got him because of course I'm a mom now. You can't go to the store without getting something for your baby. But he's having some baby acne, and I don't know if it's turning to eczema. I have eczema, but I keep a good handle on it because I use the right skin product. So I can't tell if it's just eczema or if it's just still baby acne. But CeraVe always works for me. Their products are good. So I just got him some CeraVe moisturizing cream. And child, he in there right now. I'm in my room. I got the door closed. He in there knocked out on the couch sleep. Because if he hear my voice, he may wake up. So yeah. And then I just was out of deodorant, so I got this Dove Advanced Care dry spray. This scent is Carrot and Coconut. I ain't even smell it in the store, y'all. I was just trying to get out. Okay, this is okay. So it's Carrot and Coconut. And then this is what I've been wanting to try for real. So if you watch my winter hygiene shopping haul, I was looking for this, but I was shopping at Walmart, and Walmart does not carry this brand. So this is the Naturium brand. This is the Brightener Vitamin C body wash. And the reason I was looking for this and the other one, because when you get pregnant, like your skin just kind of turns dark. Well, mine did. My neck turned dark, my inner thighs. So finally glad to get my hands on this. I'm gonna take, usually I use Dr. Bronner soap, but I'm gonna take a break from that because I just want to focus on brightening my skin and clearing up what's dark. And then my stomach is dark too, so I want to see if this actually works. So I just will be using this strictly as body wash. But it says the Brightener Vitamin C body wash gently cleanses, exfoliates, and brightens for radiant looking skin. So it's got a scorable, yeah, I don't know how to pronounce these, but this is the packaging. So this is what I'll be using. So that's what I got from Target. So today, and it's so crazy, like when you have a child, like the stuff you took for granted that you could just do, like you just, you know. So today, I think it's gonna be more of a self-care day. So as far as tomorrow, my homegirl, she has her own press-on nail business, so she's gonna be doing my nails. And then my cousin, thank God, she's on spring break, so she is going to be doing my hair. Like, she's really good at hair. But I want to wear like my natural hair out because next week, I don't know if I told y'all, but I'm in a wedding next Saturday. But I don't get my hair done till Friday, next Friday. But we're going out this weekend, so I can't be looking like this weekend. So she's going to do my natural hair, which I'm super excited about because I never had my natural curly hair since I've had this color in. It's always been like straightened or whatever. So those two appointments are tomorrow. So today I think it's going to be more like a self-care day. I think I'm going to do my everything shower if my child stays asleep long enough. My dad is coming over here in a little bit just to visit Makai because y'all, they like this. They together real bad. Like, he's coming over here to visit them. So I think during that time, either I'm going to go run and get my pedicure. No, I'm not going to get, I don't know, y'all. I don't know how I feel about leaving my dad alone with him. Like, he's good, but like, he ain't been around no babies like in a long time. I know I'm rambling, but so I don't know if I want to get a pedicure, but I do need to go to the hair store. I need to go to Sally's to get to do my hair. But yeah, I don't know. I just don't know. So we'll see. And if not, like, I'll just turn into a self-care day. I'll come journal and stuff and like read my Bible because I feel like I haven't had a chance to do that for real. But yeah, y'all, so that's what's going on for today. So one thing about me, I love having my nails done. Like, I don't know, it just makes me feel like well put together. And I've been getting my nails done since I was in 9th grade, and now I'm 27. So yeah, I'll let y'all do the math on that. But one thing about the nail shop these days is that it is ridiculously expensive, which I don't understand why. Like, I know inflation is on everything else, but like, y'all, they be putting on plastic nails at the nail shop. So I don't understand. I'm part of the crew that saw full sets go from $25 and now they're like $50 for a full set, $45 for a fill-in. And that's just like my area. It could be like a lot more expensive in other areas. So I just opted in to get press-on nails, and then last year in 2024, I stopped getting my real nails done. 2 reasons, because one, I wanted to save up to move out, so I was putting that extra money towards saving up to move out. And 2, like I said, they just got ridiculously expensive. And once I found out how to do it myself, like, I was just like, I'm not paying nobody to do that. Because y'all, when I was younger, I was very non-confrontational, but now, like, if they do my nails wrong, of course I'm not rude about it, But now, you know, you just work too hard for your money for y'all to like be charged an arm and a leg and to not do it right. So that was my biggest pet peeve with the nail shop. So my girl right here, Annie, she taught me how to do them, but honestly, like, she just does them so much better. And once you prep the nail, like y'all saw her doing, when you prep it and do it right, y'all, these nails really look like they come from the nail shop. Like you just got them done. Like, you just got to trust the process and prep your nail. And then, you know, size them right. But people will literally be asking you, like, where'd you get your nails done? And then you be like, I did it myself. Or in my case, like, my girl did them. So I'm super happy that she started her business. And, you know, I just wish her the best and much success because she really did a wonderful job. So we finally made it Saturday. It's Saturday, March 8th. Your girl finna go out, have a good time. Y'all got to peek little Einsteins on. So my pedicure yesterday, it was pretty mid. Like, I don't know. I just stopped recording because I got irritated. Because I kept asking the girl, like, did they have this and that? But it was okay. My feet look good, though. I'm going to show y'all. Yeah. So baby boy was asleep in his little boppy thing, but child, he woke up. I guess he started pooping and it scared him. So some reason, like last week when he cut up on us really, really bad, he loves the bathroom. He likes to look at the light and he loves the sound. Yeah, he cut up so bad last week. I know this ain't what it's about, but we brought him in here and every time we would take him out, he would just cut up. But he likes the sound of this bathroom and he never sits in his bouncer. So he's sitting right there, so that clearly means that he's content right now. Just keep him in there. About to start on my makeup. Oh, I spoke too soon. Try to start on my makeup. I don't know if I need to do it here or just take it with me to my aunt's house so somebody can keep him occupied. Because he was asleep and then he woke up like, you don't want your mommy to go? All right. So I'm gonna try to do my makeup, or at least do like a portion of it, and then take my hair down. I got this dress from Amazon. Let me show you this dress real quick. Okay, baby, I'm coming. I can't hold you. And I'm not. I'm gonna go back to sleep, baby. See, I got this dress from Amazon. It's so cute. It's like a little maxi dress. It's green. It's perfect for going out because it's not too dressed up. It's not too dressed down. It's tall girl friendly because your girl is 5'10". So, I mean, it could be like a little bit longer, but it's okay. It'll do. So, that's this dress. I will link it down below. It's from Amazon. It got here pretty fast. It's very comfortable. I got on the right, you know, underwear to snatch me up. I'm going to attempt to do my makeup or at least start on it. If not, I just get dressed and head up there and finish my stuff up there. Because honestly now I'm starting to sweat and I'm over it. So, and y'all see he turning up in the background. First, my baby would not let me get ready in peace. He finally cried himself to sleep a little bit. But this is just the look. Pull this up. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to get out of the house. But I'm get an angle of the dress, but I just got, you know, my makeup on. I didn't do too much. I just did foundation, and then I'm driving right now, that's why I'm looking ahead. I did foundation and I did some lash did my brows, and I did like some concealer under my eyes and stuff, which I'm really waiting on my skin to go back to one complete solid color, because it's still a little too dark. I mean, it's still a little too light because my neck is still dark, you know, from having a baby, creating and making a baby. So that's that. But I'm gonna try to get like a footage of the dress, because the dress is dressing, okay? It's making me look like I got hips and curves, and I really don't, okay? But they gonna finish helping me take my hair out, because my cousin did, he's kind of tight. So, but yeah, we just on our way, about to drop him off. He's in the back seat. Say hey, man. So about to drop him off, and then we'll be on our way to the restaurant. This is the maintenance. We got, you know, our hair done, our home appointments, we got our feet done, our nails. Feeling like me again, just a little bit, you know. It's baby steps. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna go have us a grand time. Okay, y'all, so don't be mad. It is Monday. I know I said when I went out I was gonna get some content and some footage, but I didn't get nothing, because honestly I was just happy to be out at the house for the first time, and I was not really focused on recording. So I'm sorry, but it is Monday. So instead of doing like the everything shower, because y'all, like, time changed this past weekend, and I just, an hour makes such a difference. Like, technically I got back home around 2:30 a.m. But since time had jumped ahead, it was 3:30 a.m. And then by the time I took a shower, took all my makeup off, it was 4:30. So yesterday, Sunday, I just kind of like slept all day. Me and baby boy had like a relaxing day. And then this morning, he let me, we're working on a new routine, so he let me journal and read my Bible. So that was my form of self-care. I know I didn't get a chance to do the everything shower, but then I just made me my shake, my protein shake. But I just want to come on and close out the video, and you know, we got all of our maintenance together, and I do feel really good. Like, I feel like, you know, physically somewhat back to myself, aside from like the baby weight and stuff. But the curls are so defined, and it looks so cute on Saturday when we took them out. So she did a twist out, my cousin. But this is the Texture ID curl defining gel. I will also have this linked as well if you're interested in it. It smells really good, but a little goes a long way, because y'all can see, like, I have a lot of hair, but my cousin, she only used like this much. I don't know if y'all can see that, but so just if I got any questions on my hair, I wanted to go ahead and let y'all know, and I'll have that products link down below. But yeah, it was so cute on Saturday, and it's like kind of falling out, because all day yesterday I had it in a pineapple, and then this morning I took it down. So yeah, and I really don't wear my curly hair, so this is cute. But yeah, y'all, so this was our mommy maintenance vlog. We did some self-care, we did some, you know, physical self-care, some mental self-care. So and then I got a break, you know, so I'm content. I feel better, I feel refreshed. But if y'all haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment down below, comment down some videos that y'all want to see and stuff like that. And yeah, y'all, that's about it. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.